Rendition is an AI tool that helps you build software. In particular, Rendition helps you create responsive, interactive Tailwind components from your Figma designs. So let's see how this works. And to do so, let's take a look at Airbnb's website design and actually rebuild a component from it. So let's focus in on this component here, open up the Rendition Figma plugin, and then choose Build with Rendition. Okay, so now Rendition is writing the code for us. In fact, you can see ABC below. Rendition's actually building 3 versions of this component using slightly different algorithms. We can choose our favorite. We can also take a look at and edit the code here. So let's change the text anywhere to destination. We can see that update on the left-hand side, and we'll save here. But why should we write the code when we have an AI who can do it for us? Below the preview, there's an input field. We can ask for updates from the AI. Let's update responsiveness and also give ourselves a date picker for the date. We'll submit this, and in just a few seconds, Rendition has rebuilt this component based on our request. We can see it's nice, interactive, and responsive. We have our date picker here. It'll grow and shrink. Overall, in just a few minutes, we've created a robust Tailwind component from our Figma design. At Rendition, we're excited to make your life easier as you are building software from Figma designs. If you'd like to see Rendition for yourself, feel free to check out our website, tryrendition.com, which is also in the description for this video.